Hello, my name is Ashley Sheldon, and this is my portfolio presentation. So I started Brian Stratton late. I came in with a few credits, so wasn't able to do as many portfolio projects as if I had started with no credits coming into Brian Stratton. So I only, with the portfolio projects, my professors only made me upload them into two different categories. One of those categories was utilize appropriate current technology and resources to locate and evaluate information needed to accomplish a goal, and then communicate findings in visual, written, and/or oral formats. So this class was research and writing, and with that class, I wrote a memo on ethical dilemmas to Bob, a made-up character, um, about different ethical situations and what we could do to fix them. So that went with technology. The second category that I used was, which is where most of them are, is perform diverse administrative responsibilities, including the management and processing of information and the organization of design of communication procedures. So the first class that I took that went along with that was medical office system / electronics. So with that class, I kind of wrote a letter to office staff um, to show how to incorporate technology into the office and how it's changed over the years. I also took anatomy and physiology too, and for that, I did 4 different fact sheets on different topics, and I had to list what the disease was, where it came from, signs and risks, symptoms, diagnostic tests and treatments, and the prognosis. So I had to do 4 of those, and that was my portfolio project for this class. The next class I took was Anatomy and Physiology 1. I mixed those up, but I took both of those. And for this class, I wrote an essay on melanoma and just all about melanoma. So a lot of these projects, there was a lot of essay writing. So I definitely have the experience in writing, and I received really good grades on all these. I think they were all A's. The last one I want to share is I took, I think this was also for medical office systems / electronic records. And for that, I wrote a new intern orientation brochure. So it was a medical assistant orientation brochure, and I added policies and procedures, duties, work hours, scheduling appointments, maintaining office equipment, patient education, online medical resources, inventory management, and maintaining patient records, telephone filing, all these different things that an intern would need to know for orientation. So it's basically a manual. So I have those, and a lot of those are from the program outcomes. So I don't think I did a lot of the institutional outcomes. I feel like those would have come more from the general courses. I do want to go over my resume a little because I know I have experience from previous jobs that will help me in medical administrative assisting. My most recent job that I'm actually working in now is a receptionist at an insurance company, and there I answer calls and transfer them to who they need to go to. I take care of incoming and outgoing mail and make sure it goes to the right location. I navigate various computer programs, and I forward mails and faxes to correct parties. And I do other tasks as they come up. I have more phone experience when I worked at Paychex. I answered up to 80 calls a day from employees of different companies, and they would ask questions on their flexible spending accounts, and I would help them with troubleshooting and any questions they had. And there I also navigated various computer programs. I also worked at the melting pot for a little while, and there I would also answer phones. I would see customers, and I would let servers know um, when the customers were sat. I worked at Keuka College. I actually went there for a semester, so it was a work study program. And I did a lot of filing and copying. It was mostly filing, so I have lots of experience filing. So that's about it with my experience there.